Growing up in Georgetown, Georgetown is somewhat of a mill town. It had a steel mill, paper mill, as well as it was a small port city. I have 7 siblings. My mother and father were just hardworking people. They didn't have a college education. In fact, I was the first in my family out of 8 children to go to college. But I knew I wanted to do something else. At some point after college, I would go to law school. 20-some years later, here I am now practicing law, and I've enjoyed every moment of it. The reason I decided on criminal defense is because it kind of chose me. As I finished law school, that I made a promise to myself that I would always take 5 minutes out to help people, to tell them something that might help them to the next level, might take them somewhere else. The client that I think about the most is Mr. Mendoza, Humberto Mendoza, a man who spoke very little English, but he was in custody for 4.5 years. And the media had really written him off, and the media had tried him in the press. This man or this team is going to fight for you.
The truth is they accused me of murder. I spent a long time in jail, almost 4.5 years. I had a lawyer, but he didn't help me much until lawyer Snow arrived. The truth is that I was very sad, very desolate because, well, my family in Mexico, I'm a pillar of it. At that time, I had a son studying medicine and my other 3 children in college. I couldn't send him money because they accused me and kept me locked up for a long time. I really don't know why. Imagine you were already going to 5 years in jail. He introduced himself and helped me in a way that only God and He know how they got me out of that hell. I wouldn't even wish my worst enemy to be in jail. It's a very ugly thing. It's very stressful. A desire to cry, a desire to suffer, and really a desire for everything.
My first mission, my promise to my clients is that I will fight for them as I would fight for my loved one, because I know that they have loved ones, and I will have no regrets about the work that I do for my clients. I know that when I try a case or when I work for my clients, I've done everything I possibly can to make sure they get justice. So I never have regrets. I do all I can.
To other people that have a case similar to mine, I deeply recommend Snow's firm with all my heart. He's a really great lawyer. He will lead you to the ropes of freedom. Trust him, really trust him, because, and I repeat, he is the best lawyer in Charlotte.
Mr. Mendoza, he's someone's brother, he's someone's uncle, he's someone's father, he's someone's husband. I would want them to understand and believe and know that when they come to me, I want them to feel the way I want my family member to feel, that they're cared about, that their case is important, that their case matters to them, but also matters to me. Here at the Snow Legal Group, justice is our job, period.